Last few days, I have introduced one of the marble machines for Sweden customer. It was nearly finished. Now this machine has been finished. Let me show you how the marble machines looks like. This is one marble machine for the engraving. For the engraving, we can see. This is for the z-axis. Z-axis from here to the table. This is 1,000 millimeters. 1,000 millimeters. And the spindle. This is one spindle, specially for the marble working spindle. 5.5 kilowatts. And we also have two water trees here to cool down the beads. You can see here, and we are all X, and all the Y. They are all dust proof. All the Y, dust proof. X and Y, dust proof. The special for this machine is not only for the marble plate working. It also can for the rotary. Now let's follow me. It can also work on the rotary. You can see here. This is a rotary we put on the back side. It will be very convenient to use. If you want to use a plate, okay, we make the marble rotary to the end of the machine. If we want to work with the rotary, then we prolong it. Then you can see it will be very convenient. It can work plate and rotary together. If you need a marble machine, remember, contact us for Stone CNC. Thank you.